Simplify. Log base 10 root 27 plus log base 10 8 minus log base 10 root over 1000 divide log base 10 1 minus 2. This logarithm we are trying to solve in this video. Welcome to Home of Math. If you think this video is okay for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So we are trying to solve this one step by step. First, in denominator we are trying to solve like this. Log base 10, here is 27, we can write against 27 3 cube, and once we omit this root we can write 1 by 2, because we know a to the power n root over, we can write like this, a to the power n times 1 by 2. Okay, and 27 usually we know 27 we can write like this, 3 to the power 3, plus here is log 10 base 10 8, we can write 2 to the power 3, minus log 10, here is 1000, we can write 10 cube, and against this root we can write times 1 by 2. Okay, in denominator log base 10 1.2, we can write like 12 divide 10. Okay, this is simple thing. Now we are following a rule like log base 10 a to the power 2, we can write 2 log base 10 a. Similar we will follow this rule. It means here is 3 times 1 by 2, 3 times 1 by 2, we can write 3 by 2, like so 3 divide 2, and here is log 10 3 plus 3 log 10 2 minus, similar here 3 divide 2 log what 10 base 10. Okay, so lots of thing we are doing. Now here is 12 we need to do something. Before do something, we can write like this. We know about log a by b, we can write log a minus log b. So in this case we are also doing same thing, log 10, here is 12 minus log base 10 and 10. Okay, now three divide 2 log base 10 3 plus 3 log base 10 2 minus 3 divide 2. We will not write log base 10 10 because we know log base a and a, this is 1. Okay, and here is log base 10, these 4 we can do something like what, if we divide 12 by 2, we will get here is 6, again divide by 2, we will get 3. So it means 3 times 2 square. So here is also 3 times 2 square, we can write against log base 10 12, minus here is log base 10 10, this is 1. Why? Because we know the rule, which is log base a equals to 1. Now 3 by 2 Now we can take common 3 by 2. So 3 divide 2. So here is log base 10 3 plus from 3, look, from 3, when we take common 3 by 2, it will become what? 2. Why? Because 3 times 3 by 2 is what? Here is 3 by 2 and here is 3. So here we can keep only 2, right? Because 3 divide 2 times 2, 2 and 2 out, 3 will be remain. So in this case here we will write 2 log 10 base 2. Do you understand this one? Here is 3, here is 3, but we will write 2 because we are taking common 3 by 2 from 3, therefore here is 2, and here is minus 3 by 2, not sorry, here is 1 because we already take common 3 by 2, and here is this one we can write log base 10 3 plus log base 10 2 square minus 1. Look, here is 3 by 2, then log 10 3 plus 2 log base 10 2 minus 1, and here is log 10 base 3 plus, look, here is 2 square, so naturally we can write 2 log base 10 2 minus 1. So this one and this one same, we can out, and the answer is 3 by 2. Okay, we are simplifying this essential or very important logarithm, which is very important for very important for examination. So thank you very much being with me. Day by day we are trying to update our channel and trying to publish lots of math based on algebra, exponent, set, sequence, series, etc. Thank you.